coming off a MAC regular season title and a berth in the women's NIT. Robin Fralick and Bowling Green look poised to return the Falcons to the top of the conference and break their NCAA tournament drought. But injuries, particularly Lexi Fleming's season-ending injury just days before the opening game, put a roadblock in those plans as the Falcons dropped 4 of their first 5 games. But now, BG, after beating Valpo a week ago with a chance to start a winning streak. Final game before the exam break, hosting Notre Dame College. First half, Amy Velasco to Morgan Sharps, right back to Velasco for 3. As Bowling Green would jump out to the early lead, Nyla Hampton showing off the handles. Gets the hoop and the harm, the old-fashioned three-point play. 35-16 Falcons in front. Second quarter, more of the same. Katie Hempling to a cutting Velasco. Textbook material there. Velasco, a new career high, 19 in the first half. For the break, Alyssa Brett in transition. Finds Sharp on the wing, eyes it, flies it. 3 is good. Falcons up 61-23 at the half. Third quarter, Emil Al-Shakir. Spin move in the paint for 2. She finished with 8 for Notre Dame. But then Velasco to Hempling, baseline reverse and the foul. Hempling, one of 5 Falcons in double digits. The duo would strike again. Velasco threading the needle as Hempling, the finish. A 40-point lead for the home team. Molly Deaver driving through traffic, pulls up for the mid-range J, knocks it down. 100-48 your final score. First time the Falcons have put up triple digits in the regular season since 2004.
At halftime, we knew the score and we were pushing for 100, but the main goal was to just play our game, get rebounds, and play together. Swing the ball, just play hard. But we definitely knew, and it was fun to get that 100 for the first time in 15 years, and you could definitely feel it in the crowd.
It's definitely a confidence booster, and I think we'll continue to play hard and keep learning and getting better. I think every game we just need to play with our hardest, and the rest will take care of itself.
Just building confidence into our team and what we have. I think in the beginning of the season it took us a little second, but we're starting to get our rhythm and just playing well together.
I felt like we've really started practicing at a much higher level, and part of that has just been, getting people back or getting a little bit more in rhythm with who our team is. And I saw that translate today, and now I'm excited because now we've got more time to continue to get better.